We're going to continue on with our architectural designing here. Again, this is another nice part of architecture. One thing I did start doing was saving my videos and the name of my file the same. So I just go save as, and you can change the name so it matches the video. So you kind of know where you're at, and it kind of keeps a running record of what you've done. So when you're turning stuff in, you have that running record available to you. And also, if you need to go back because you like really botched something up, you can always go back. So that's just a quick little tip to help you out there. But I'm going to slide this back over the top. So I got some room here again. Now, looking here, I got my bathroom walls all set up. I did 2x6 walls. I'm good to go there. My next step right here is to deal with this washer and dryer. I don't know how far this wall is away, but I do know I need to fit a washer and dryer in there. Also over here we got a furnace, and here we got a linen closet. So we're going to do the washer and dryer first to get this wall set. Then we're going to go 36 inches to get the furnace wall set, because you got to have 36-inch clearance there in a furnace. And then that's going to leave the leftover for this closet here. So you got to think about it that way when you're doing architecture. You got to think about what needs to fit in that area and what really doesn't matter. So the closet is where we're going to take the room from. So starting out here, you're going, well, I don't know how big a washer and dryer is. This is where SketchUp is really kind of cool. So we're going to go into components, and we're going to search the 3D warehouse for a washer and dryer. And we're going to look for a combo. I found that this combo, some of them, all these models are just modeled by people. And some people model right, some people model incorrectly. But I found this one by Washer and Dryer, this bright red one here by Colin M, seems to be pretty good and pretty close. So I'm going to take that, and it's going to be off, like, it looks like I'm not placing anything, but if I zoom out I can find it. Now I can place this in the corner. Now all washers and dryers, you want to have like 4 inches behind them. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to move it up, and I'm going to go 4, enter. And you want to have 2 inches at least on the side, because you want 1 inch all the way around. 2, enter. And then what I'm going to do is I need a wall 2 inches away from this. So I'm just going to move this 2 inches over again, and then I can center it. So now I need to make my wall. So I'm just going to draw a line. And I'm noticing a purple dot, so that tells me, Don, you have not clicked into the model. So now I've clicked into the model, grayed out that stuff, get in line with it, and come straight across. Then I'm going to move, not going to go each way, tap the control key, coming down this edge, and it's 3.5, there's no plumbing there. And that sets up this wall right here. Now I'm going to set up this wall right here. 36 inches for a furnace. Just got to do it. Control, 36, control, 3.5. You now just set up your furnace room. Linen closets. Closet sizing, 12 inches deep, 18 inches deep, and 24 inches deep. 24 is like a coat closet or for hanging clothes. That's way too deep for a linen closet. We're going to make it 18, and we're going to actually bump it up to 12. We're going to make it only 12 inches deep, because I'm going to try to conserve some space here, right here. I'm going to try to conserve some space, and I'm going to try to take this water heater, and I'm going to move this water heater to over here. Hopefully, I can conserve enough space. So I'm going to do my move tool again. Control, 12 inches deep, Control. 3.5 inches deep. And now I have that setting completed. And I can start doing my erasing. So I have a 12-inch linen cabinet. And I have my washer and dryer in here. And I have all this room that I need to make this plan work. So I'm going to click out of it. Click right there. Delete the washer and dryer. And we are done laying the walls out for this little cabin here. Goes pretty quick, and it's kind of cool now how you got to see some designing.